Hey guys, what's going on? This is Tyler from Nelly Security, and welcome to the next episode of Nelly's News. Today we're going to be unboxing this brand new camera. It is the NSHC 1080p DMV-F3. It's an analog camera, and it's actually a replacement for one of our most popular analog cameras that recently just went out of stock, the NSHC 1080p DMV-F1. A lot of people loved that camera, so we knew that when we discontinued it, we'd have to replace it with something else. I think the camera that we've replaced it with is even better, but I will let you be the judge of that. This is a hybrid turret security camera with a varifocal lens ranging from 2.8 millimeters to 12 millimeters. By hybrid, I mean this is a 4-in-1 camera. It is TVI, it is CVI, it is AHD and analog. So let's go ahead and open this box and check it out. Something to note about this camera is that this is an R-series camera, even though the original one was H-series. So that means even though it's going to have the incredible specs of that H-series original camera, this is going to have the added bonus of just having that beautiful R-series aesthetic. It's also going to be a little bit easier to use than the H-series predecessor. And here it is, the NSHC 1080p DMV-F3. It's got full HD 2 megapixel resolution, that powerful varifocal lens. Again, it's got that 4-in-1 analog video output, and it has these two dip switches here for you to change depending on the video output that you're using. It also has a nice IR range of up to 130 feet. What's great about this camera is it does have all of those features of the original H-series camera, but look at this, it just looks beautiful and elegant. I love this sleek and minimal design of the R-series camera. I think it looks way better than the original turret, and even though this is R-series, the H-series DVRs still support that analog input. So you could easily swap out your old DMV-F1 cameras and replace them with these DMV-F3s. They'll integrate just fine into your current analog H-series setup. Check it out and let us know what you think. Do you like this one as much as the original? Do you like this one better? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us across social media so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.